What were my takeaways from this class in this semester? Basically, my takeaways was everything I learned, starting from the UDLs, lesson plans, everything. So this course was completely mind changing in regards to how we plan the lesson plan. I before didn't know anything about UDLs, what they were, or how to even use them. I did see some teachers use them to present something like the lesson plan and um, for example, an activity when they were absent so the substitute teacher could also know what they were doing. But didn't even know I didn't even know that was part of a UDL. So I was just like, oh, it's just a video. Um, that is something I will be using in the future because it is really fun to actually be using like the Powtoon, the S'more, or any of that to help the students when they need help in their activity or something like that. The readings gave me lots of information to stuff that were confusing to me before. Like I knew little of some of the topics that were discussed, for example, Bloom taxonomy, using the pedagogy wheel with Bloom's, the lesson plan, and everything. Like I knew small information in that, but with the readings, the articles, everything gave me more examples and better understanding for each one. The lesson plan was the one that really caught me off guard. I have done lesson plans before, but never script out. I used to work with Minicore. Those would work with migrant students, so we would also be taught how to do lesson plans, but never in the way I was taught here. We never script anything out. We would just write examples on what we were going to be doing with the students, but never in detail. So it was kind of different to actually do this to children, and because children's minds, you don't know what they're going to say, you don't know what they're going to think, so we had to come up with questions, response. But also having a co-teacher for this was exciting because I was able to get her knowing her knowledge from maybe having prior experience with working with students or the lesson plans and all that. So it was really fun. Overall, this class taught me lots of stuff that I didn't know even were or could be used in a classroom.